Are you tired of that constant ringing, buzzing, or hissing in your ears? Tinnitus affects millions, disrupting sleep, concentration, and overall well-being. VidaCalm is a revolutionary new supplement formulated to provide natural and effective relief from tinnitus symptoms. This powerful formula combines clinically researched ingredients to address the root causes of tinnitus, providing lasting relief and improving your quality of life. Say goodbye to the frustrating sounds of tinnitus and hello to the sweet sound of silence with VidaCalm. VidaCalm's effectiveness lies in its unique blend of natural ingredients, each chosen for its specific benefits in addressing tinnitus. This carefully curated formula brings together the best of nature's remedies, offering a holistic approach to managing and alleviating the symptoms of tinnitus. By combining these powerful ingredients, VidaCalm aims to provide a comprehensive solution that targets the root causes of tinnitus, rather than just masking the symptoms. Ginkgo Biloba. This potent herb improves blood flow to the inner ear, reducing ringing and improving auditory function. Known for its antioxidant properties, Ginkgo Biloba also helps protect the delicate structures of the ear from oxidative stress, which can exacerbate tinnitus. By enhancing circulation and providing essential nutrients to the auditory system, Ginkgo Biloba supports overall ear health and function. Vitamin B12, essential for nerve health. Vitamin B12 protects and repairs damaged auditory nerves, a common contributor to tinnitus. This crucial vitamin plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity of the nervous system, ensuring that nerve signals are transmitted efficiently. By supporting nerve health, vitamin B12 helps to reduce the severity of tinnitus symptoms and promotes overall auditory wellness. Magnesium, this vital mineral reduces nerve excitability, calming the nervous system and minimizing the perception of tinnitus. Magnesium is also known for its ability to relax blood vessels, improving blood flow to the inner ear, and reducing the risk of further damage. By promoting a calm and balanced nervous system, magnesium helps to alleviate the discomfort associated with tinnitus and supports overall ear health. Zinc, a powerful antioxidant, zinc protects the inner ear from damage caused by free radicals, which can worsen tinnitus. This essential mineral also supports the immune system, helping to prevent infections that can lead to ear problems. By safeguarding the inner ear from oxidative damage and promoting overall ear health, zinc plays a crucial role in managing tinnitus and improving auditory function. VidaCalm is more than just a supplement, it's a commitment to your ear health and overall well-being. Imagine a life where the constant ringing in your ears is a thing of the past, where you can enjoy the sounds of nature, conversations with loved ones, and your favorite music without distraction. VidaCalm is designed to help you achieve that peace and tranquility. Here's what sets it apart. VidaCalm is not just another supplement on the market. It stands out because of its unique formulation and dedication to quality. Each ingredient is carefully selected and tested to ensure it meets our high standards. We believe in transparency, so you know exactly what you're putting into your body. Natural and safe, VidaCalm utilizes only the highest quality natural ingredients, ensuring a safe and gentle approach to tinnitus relief. Our formula includes a blend of herbs, vitamins, and minerals that work together to support ear health. We avoid synthetic additives and harsh chemicals so you can trust that what you're taking is both effective and safe. Easy to take. Simply swallow the capsules daily with water, no messy powders or unpleasant tastes. We understand that convenience is key, which is why we've made VidaCalm as easy to incorporate into your daily routine as possible. Just take one capsule in the morning and one in the evening and let VidaCalm do the rest. Non-habit forming? VidaCalm is a drug-free solution so you can feel confident incorporating it into your daily routine without worry. Unlike some medications that can lead to dependency, VidaCalm is designed to be a natural part of your wellness regimen. You can take it every day without the fear of developing a habit. Manufactured in the USA, VidaCalm is proudly produced in a state-of-the-art facility in the USA, adhering to the strictest quality and safety standards. Our manufacturing process is rigorous, ensuring that each bottle of VidaCalm meets our exacting criteria. We are committed to providing you with a product that you can trust, made right here at home. With VidaCalm, you can reclaim your life from the constant noise of tinnitus. Enjoy the simple pleasures of life again, whether it's the sound of birds chirping, the laughter of children, or the melody of your favorite song. VidaCalm is here to support you on your journey to better ear health and overall well-being. Experience the transformative benefits of VidaCalm reduced tinnitus noise. The powerful blend of ingredients works synergistically to reduce the intensity and frequency of ringing, buzzing, and hissing in the ears. Improved sleep quality. By calming the nervous system and reducing tinnitus noise, VidaCalm promotes restful sleep and combats fatigue. Enhanced concentration and focus. With reduced tinnitus distractions, you can experience improved mental clarity and focus throughout the day. Increased energy levels. VidaCalm's restorative properties combat fatigue associated with tinnitus, leaving you feeling energized and revitalized. The science behind the silence. Understanding tinnitus and VidaCalm's approach. Tinnitus isn't a disease itself but a symptom often linked to underlying issues like age-related hearing loss, exposure to loud noise, or circulatory problems. VidaCalm's unique formula targets these root causes. Ginkgo Biloba enhances blood flow to the inner ear, nourishing delicate structures. Vitamin B12 repairs damaged auditory nerves, while magnesium calms nerve activity, minimizing the perception of tinnitus. Finally, zinc acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting the ears from further damage. Section 6. VidaCalm versus the competition. Hearing the difference. Many tinnitus supplements focus solely on masking the noise, providing only temporary relief. VidaCalm takes a different approach, addressing the root causes with its potent blend of scientifically backed ingredients. This holistic approach not only reduces tinnitus symptoms, but also supports overall ear health and well-being, setting VidaCalm apart from the competition. Section 7. Real people, real results. VidaCalm user testimonials. Thousands of people are experiencing the life-changing benefits of VidaCalm. This revolutionary supplement has transformed lives by addressing the persistent issue of tinnitus, providing a sense of peace and normalcy that many thought was out of reach. Here's what some users are saying about their journey with VidaCalm and how it has impacted their daily lives in profound ways. After years of struggling with constant ringing in my ears, I finally found relief with VidaCalm. The incessant noise that once dominated my life has faded into the background, allowing me to enjoy the simple pleasures of life again. I can now sleep through the night and focus on my work without distractions. My productivity has soared and I feel more in control of my life. John D. I was skeptical at first, but VidaCalm has made a world of difference for me. The constant ringing that plagued my days and nights has significantly reduced, giving me a newfound sense of calm and clarity. The ringing in my ears has significantly reduced, and I feel more energized and focused. I can now enjoy quiet moments in nature without the intrusive noise. Sarah M. I've tried other tinnitus supplements, but nothing compares to VidaCalm. The relief it provides is unparalleled, and I no longer feel the frustration and hopelessness that once consumed me. It's the only thing that has provided me with lasting relief. My quality of life has improved dramatically, and I can now face each day with confidence and peace of mind. Michael S. These testimonials are just a glimpse into the countless success stories of VidaCalm users. Each story is a testament to the effectiveness of this supplement in transforming lives and providing a solution to a problem that many thought was insurmountable. From improved sleep and focus to a reduction in the constant ringing, VidaCalm has brought relief and happiness to many. Users report feeling more connected to their loved ones and more engaged in their hobbies and daily activities. The support and community that is formed around VidaCalm is also remarkable. Users often share their experiences and tips, creating a network of encouragement and hope for those still struggling with tinnitus. If you're dealing with tinnitus and looking for a solution that truly works, consider joining the thousands who have found relief with VidaCalm. Embrace a future where the ringing is no longer a constant companion and you can live your life to the fullest. VidaCalm is more than just a supplement, it's a pathway to a better, more peaceful life. Don't let tinnitus hold you back any longer. Experience the difference for yourself and join the growing community of satisfied VidaCalm users. Section 8. Conclusion. Tune out tinnitus and tune in to life. VidaCalm offers a natural, safe, and effective solution for reclaiming your peace and quiet. Don't let tinnitus control your life any longer. Experience the transformative power of VidaCalm and embrace a life free from the constant distraction of ringing ears. Section 9. Call to action. Start your journey to silence today. Visit our website or your local health food store to purchase VidaCalm today and begin your journey towards a quieter, more peaceful life. For a limited time, take advantage of our special introductory offer and experience the difference VidaCalm can make in your life. Don't wait, reclaim your silence today.